let me get your understanding of Chapter 6 of the Constitution on leadership and integrity. 12 years later, what do you think is the challenge in implementing Chapter 6 of the Constitution?
Let me say this. I think the judiciary, and I'm sorry to say this, but they are used to impede the Chapter 6. For example, if I went to IBC and they said my degree is not right, I'll run to court, and then the court will say, fine, can you clear Justina? And then the other issue, the other agencies, for example, maybe the university or the Commission of Higher University will say, no, it's out of our, out of our mandate, we can't handle Justina. So I feel that Kenyans have this attitude: when you do wrong, you run to court and your money will be used to sanitize you. And that is why, as Roots Party, we are saying that if you're corrupt, if you're not doing the right thing, because integrity is focusing on your conscience, do the right thing irrespective of circumstances. So even those in the judicial system who are rotten, they are going to be subjected to what Roots Party is saying, hanging, because you're the ones who are impeding how Kenyans, the aspirations of Kenyans, when they're looking out for leaders who relate to their challenges. And not just leaders, but leaders who are within the Chapter 6 of the Constitution. So integrity is very key, and yeah, we are propelling it. Professor and I have not stolen any money. We've not been in government. We are genuine, and I always tell Kenyans, tupende bure, we don't have anything. Lakini, integrity is key. If we need to go ahead, we have to instill integrity. And let me give this quote because I have time. There's a quote that Mugabe says, how can you tell young people that education is the key, yet you have poor graduates and rich idiots? So the thing is, we have to make sure that the youth, the younger generation, I'm sure right now they're watching because their parents are watching, the younger generation needs to move away from this idea of deals. And our idea, Gashori, means that you shouldn't be my friend to benefit in government. You have your own marijuana. You don't need a deal. You don't need a tender from government because Justina is your friend. Wekele industrial hemp yako will pay you according to the market price.